Gesso Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Lucy from Peanuts. So let's get started. To draw this cute girl, let's first start by drawing her nose. So we're going to come right here and draw kind of like a C. Come down and over. But not too round, just a little bit straighter. Then from there we're going to come next to this and draw a circle for her eye. About right here. And then we're going to come right across, say about right here, and draw the other eye. And then let's come back. I'm going to give it a little highlight right here and shade everything else in. So just remember, this is closer to this curve and this is going to be a little bit further apart. And same thing over here. There. So now that we have that, let's come back to the sides of her eye and I'm just going to draw a curve on both sides. Just kind of like framing the eye with these two curves. Then we're going to go above the eye and we're just going to draw a soft curve, little curve, and thicken it up. And same thing here for her brow. There. And then let's give Lucy a big smile. So kind of like where her eye is, about right here. And we're going to go ahead and draw a big curve. So down. Right, and come right back up to the other eye and cap it off. There, very happy Lucy. Then from there, let's see here. Let's go ahead and let's say where her eye is. We're going to come out, say about this Y, give myself a point. And from there, I'm just going to go ahead and draw this big curve. So I'm going to come right here. Big curve to finish off her face. So we're going to come down, let's see, come down about right here underneath her smile. To about right here. Nice and round, and we're going to go around. So I'm just kind of following the curve of my smile, almost. So then we're going to go back up, just like the other side. So go back all the way up. And we're just creating this big curve all the way around. So it almost looks like Charlie Brown now, right? But once we put in her hair, then you'll know it's Lucy. So I'm just going to stop right here. And in this area, I'm going to go ahead and draw her ear. So just remember when you're drawing this curve, just go same amount of space all the way around. And then about right here, I'm just going to go ahead and pop in her ear right in this area. And then from here, we're going to go up with a curve going out. There. So this is a very important curve. We just want to make a curve out. Then we can go ahead right over her brows. We're going to put in one curve and then kind of in between the brow, another one, and one more about right here. And then we're going to go ahead and come down to connect to her ear. Then let's finish off. We're going to come back here and pop out this big curve right here, go up. So there's one that comes in right there, and then the rest is just nice and nice curve that comes all the way back to about right here. So go up, and we're going to come right back down into this spot. So definitely make any adjustments you need right here. Make it a little bit higher. And connect. Then from there we need to draw her buns, right? So come to the other side, but right here we're just going to draw a little indication of her other ear, just a little bit of it, and then come back into this area and we're just going to go ahead and just wobble this bun in. So same thing here. Wobble and bring it in. There, so now we finally have Lucy, right? Okay, so then from there, let's draw her body. So we're gonna come right in the center. Just love these peanut characters, they're so cute. We're gonna draw 2 little angle lines for her neck and then connect it with a curve. Then let's draw her collar. I'm gonna come out on both sides and draw, let's see, 4 curves. So 1 and then 2 in the center and then 1 more. Pop it out and then come back right here, and we're just going to draw a soft curve coming down on both sides for her dress. And go ahead and connect about right there. And then the skirt part, we're going to come out on both sides and slightly round it off and connect for her skirt. Then for her feet, find your center, come down, so say about right there, and I'm gonna go straight down, and then right here, angle out on both sides, and say about right there, I'm gonna go ahead and connect. Then we're gonna bring it down a little bit more for her shoe. Then right here, let's pop it out with a curve and bring it right back in. So same thing here, pop it out and connect. There, and then for some details, come right here, draw a curve and another curve. And for her socks, there, and then for her sleeves. So we're going to skip a little bit of space, come down right here, and just kind of wobble this sleeve in. Then come right here with a curve for some detail, and then her hands should come down and then just curve it in. So same thing here, just pop out this little sleeve, wobble, and this little loop, and then once again, her hands. There. And I'll just add a little heart right here to make her my Draw So Cute Lucy. And there's actually some detail here, like a little wrinkle, I guess, for some detail on her dress, and then a little line right there. But that is pretty much it. I'll color in her hair black later with the computer because it's just going to take too much time with this Sharpie. But I really hope you love how she turned out and that I helped you draw her fun and easy today. Thanks so much for watching, and if you love it, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.